Hello and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas with Spoony Stitcher and Critters Crochet. Teresa, Critters Crochet, and I decided to send each other 12 fun little items that we can open each day on our videos. And to get you in the holiday spirit, we are going to share some fun things with you. We are going to share gift ideas. We're going to share some recipes. We're going to share some music you might want to listen to, some movies and TV you might want to watch, and we're going to shout out a channel every single video for the next 12 days. Yes, you will even see us on the weekends. Huh. Okay, I have no idea how good the audio quality will be. If you didn't see my community post, I'm having serious tech issues. They might be resolved, but even if they are, it's temporary. So I am trying to record on my computer. Editing isn't that friendly on here, so I don't know how much is going to actually be edited on here, just so you know. Welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. It is day 8, December 8th, and I am very excited to share with you that this Friday, Teresa and I will be live and we will be revealing our film to fiber projects. Yay! So please, please join us at 8 Central, 9 Eastern. Wow. Yes. For our white Christmas projects that we've made. I'm going to say y'all have made some really cool guesses on what you think I've made. I'm not going to tell you if you're right or wrong. You'll have to stop by and see. But interesting guesses. Very interesting. So I love the guesses, though. Keep them coming. Let's see what Teresa sent me for day 8 with her lovely Grinchy paper. It's some kind of book. Definitely. I really hope you can hear me. Also, for those of you who hate the crinkly sound, sorry. What is this? Unauthorized, wickedly popular 1,600 swankified stickers. Where on earth did you find this? For fans of the beloved musical Wicked and the classic tale The Wizard of Oz, that would be me, travel somewhere over the rainbow with these stickers, colorfully illustrated by Brooke O'Neill. This book contains 1,600 stickers representing the popular song titles, iconic characters from the musical and the magical land of Oz, including 2 sheets of nail stickers for unlimited decoration purposes, stationeries, journals, bookmarks, snail mail, and more. Let all of Oz be agreed that these stickers will change you for good. Y'all, it's a sticker book. Oh, I'm having fun with this. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is fabulous. Oh, yeah. I have ideas. I already have ideas. Thank you so much, Teresa. I can't believe you found something like this. I've never even heard of something like this. So here, I'll let you guys see a few pages. No idea what they will be. Just letting you see some pages here. Whoop, sorry. My computer loves to just turn off. Okay. Here's Kansas. So we've got Dorothy and Toto. Lots of Toto stuff. Tin Man. I love the Tin Man. Alpha and Glinda costumes. That could come in handy. That could come in very handy. And I love that it's the Broadway show and the movie. I'm going to get this right. That is the popular dress from the Broadway show. And there we go. That is... Nope. There we go. That is the popular dress from the movie. Everything's backwards on here. Okay. That's why I don't film on my computer. Anyway. Thank you! This is so exciting! How thrillifying. Yay! Okay. Day 8 of our Muppet Christmas Carol Advent Calendar. I believe the last one we got was Jacob Marley. So let's see what day 8 holds for us. Where is day 8? Oh, right here. I kind of want it to be a ghost. It's better than a ghost. It's Rizzo! Rizzo the rat. Oh, he is so cute. With his little tail and his little hat. Y'all, the detail on these things are just blowing my mind. I mean, look, he even has his coattails with a hole cut out for his tail. Come on, Disney. That is epic. I mean, look, he's got his little scarf. He's got an embroidered smile and his embroidered eyes. His little printing on his scarf. His little tooth. He is so cute. Robin might be replaced. He might be my favorite now. He's so cute. Does anyone else wish that Rizzo was in more stuff and that Pepe the Shrimp just isn't that great a friend to Gonzo? I don't know why they put Gonzo and Pepe together a lot when he had so much chemistry with Rizzo. Hello? Yeah, that always bugs me. I just don't get the hype of Pepe at all. I wish it was Rizzo. He's so cute. Oh, I forgot my jelly beans. You can fit through the bars? Yeah. You are such an idiot. What? He's so cute. That's one of my favorite scenes. Oh, hello. Y'all aren't gonna believe it. You know who's pinging me right now on my cell phone? That's Teresa. I'm not kidding. Hi, Teresa. There we go. Okay. So cute. Okay. I need my phone now because I already decided what the movie and song recommendation will be for all 12 days. Now I just have to find my list. Our movie recommendation for today is Christmas in Connecticut. Probably one of my all-time favorite Christmas movies of all time. I don't want to spoil anything for you, but in short, Elizabeth Lane is a homemaker of a magazine. Now, you know, one of those magazine articles where they write about all the good food and stuff, and she claims that she lives on this beautiful farm in Connecticut, and her husband and her baby and everybody loves her food, and she collects rocking chairs and all this kind of stuff. Okay, all of that is a huge lie, and she can't cook. She's a food columnist, and she can't cook. Her boss has no idea. Well, long story short, a nurse writes her boss and says this sailor has been stranded and needs a good home-cooked meal and a great home to be around in recuperation during the holidays. And every time she reads him Elizabeth Lane articles, he feels better. And so why not give him an Elizabeth Lane meal? So the sailor and her boss are coming to Christmas dinner. She has no farm, no husband, no baby, and she can't cook. It's great. It's one of my favorites. I will try and link anything below that I can find. Anywhere you can watch it, I will let you know. By the way, have you been looking at the description boxes? I've been telling you where you can listen to these songs and watch these movies and stuff, so I hook you up. The gift suggestion for today is my glasses case. Lots of people have made them. You can also turn them into a crochet hook case. You can use them as a glasses case. That's what they're intended for. But there are no snaps, no toggles, no buttons, nothing you have to sew on. Everything is made in one piece. It's a pretty great pattern if I do say so myself. I will link it down below for you. My shout out for today is Lori's Stories and Crochet. Please go check out her channel. She's a great storyteller. She always has a story to go along with her video, which is a lot of fun. And she's been celebrating her road to 1,000 with all of her different friends. And so she's been making all these videos with people. It's really fun. She's a spoonie just like me. And so that's kind of how we bonded. I forget exactly how we met precisely. I want to say Armchair Chef had something to do with it, which is the other Lori. But please go follow Lori's Stories and Crochet. You'll have a lot of fun. She's even going to do Battle of the Stitches in January with Teresa and Heather at Strings and Threads. So, yeah. The song recommendation for today is Hey Santa. It's a really fun duet with two ladies. In fact, I've done it with a friend. And it's about they just want their baby home for Christmas. Yes, I know. Everyone listens to the Mariah Carey, that song, All I Want for Christmas Is You. I don't know. This one just has a better feel to me. It feels more cozy and homey. Plus, it's got some great harmonies. So, yeah, I just prefer this one. But Hey Santa, I will link it down below. You'll love it. And that's it for day 8, because apparently I have to film more of these today. Oh, and I also have to make a video for the Melic Adventures. Yeah. Oh yeah, tomorrow, I should probably mention that. Tomorrow is the 9th of December, and I will be participating in the Melic Adventures collaboration series, which is a Disney collaboration that they do twice a month on the second Tuesday and the last Thursday of every month. I don't participate in all of them. I just pick the themes that I like. And tomorrow is the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, which is why I'm wearing the sweatshirt. Here's a sneak peek. And, yeah. I will be showing my Winnie the Pooh collection. So come see. I think the videos have to go up at 7 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, it's early. But you don't have to watch it then. That's okay. So I will have 2 videos tomorrow. I will have that and I will have one of these. And I might even be in the same outfit. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember to go check out Teresa's channel, see what I sent her, see what she's up to on her channel. And remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too, even when technology is not working with them. Bye!